АЕК Атина го победи Еврофарм работник во финалето на турнирот во Стругајеве. За тебе ова е враќање во Македонија по подолго време. Кажи ми кратко коментари за овој надпревар.
I speak in English. The feeling was is great. We are happy to play against one team like Eurofarm. Dobra ekipa, dobra dečki, dobar trener. We are happy I'm happy to come back to Macedonia because I used to play in Ohrid, and I'm happy to play in Struga. Kako Struga, nema druga, Taka.
You play in France one season before and come back to AEK. Which are the ambitions of this team this season?
This season it's obvious we have the ambitions to take a lot of trophy. This is our target, to take the cup, the championship, and we will play Challenge Cup in Europe. So 2 years before we finish in final, semi-final. Now we hope to get this title for the first time in the story of AEK.